Gavana wa kaunti ya Masaku Mwandu wa Vinyandeti ni watongwe siachariki mwanya cha kwambililiwa kwa walanyomweo wa kuthiana lato wa itheka kaunti ya Masaku oundu umwe na nzianzao ya matuko a kutetheesya kuivandivi sia itheka kana land rates. Gavana wa Vinya ainene ya chathini ki ni waelezea kana serikali ya kaunti ya Masaku niyo ya keli kwithiwa na walanyo ula utetheesya kumina angangania alamethitwe maikenga ene ivindani ya kuwa na kuthoosya itheka. Dan Mwangala atinda White House na atumbanisya ilivota.
Walanio nolowambiwa ni gavana kaunti ya Masaku wa kuthiana lato wa itheka uvaniwe kulinda mavuthi ala methitwo na kweka ngangania matho itheka sia ene nthina lato ulota ilite valaju. Gavana wa kaunti ya Masaku walesekana kwa ivinda yaza ene nthi methitwo maithina indi yu kaunti ya Masaku ni atalo kwitha i kaunti ila itongwetie kwithiwa na mathangu taya kana valuation rolls.
Today marks a historic turning point for Machakos as we converge here to launch the county valuation roll. We are not just launching a document. We are unveiling a vision of a modernized, self-sustaining, and transparent administration. I am proud to state that my government has successfully completed the new county valuation roll. In layman's language, valuation roll is like a price list for land in Machakos County changes. This roll ensures that the rates commonly known as property taxes are based on what your land is worth today.
Ingini wathingala na serikali ya kaunti ya Masaku silamuveani wa itheka ni ambiye mutandao kwesitwa Adams uloetha ntuetheesya ene itheka kwivathie kana land rates kati wa maundu wangi maitheka.
Ladies and gentlemen, in order to safeguard your data and eliminate the human errors and delays of the past, we have rolled out automated development application management system, ADAMS. This is our electronic portal for building and development approvals. This system will drive our service delivery efficiency to another level, ensuring no more carrying physical files from office to office. At the same time, revenue will also be safeguarded. By automating the process, we have sealed revenue leakages, those gaps that were money meant for public services used to disappear.
Ni itambira yende na ukathi wa vanene ni ene siandame kivuthokanio. Evo Minister muveani wa itheka Nathaniel Nganga ula waelesekana tamuvea wa itheka serikali ni akaunti ya Masaku imekuende na kuete mawalanio angi mautetheesya kwa liula undu maundu maneilie wala ene nthi manana muno kukwata mavalua maitheka.
Land tenure regularization is a key priority for this governor because we understand the moment people get land ownership documents, they are able to invest on their land without any fear. Lakini kwa sababu ya uoga, unaenda Mlolongo unapata watu wanajenga ghorofa mbili, ghorofa tatu, ghorofa mbili ama mabati imechanganyika namna hiyo. But if we are able to get these people getting ownership documents, we can have people doing 23 floors, 25 floors, 15 floors, and our gateway to the capital will change its face and will change the face of Machakos. We are not only doing that only in the urban areas, we are also doing it in the rural areas.
Daniel Mwangala, Mutongo TV, kumuvaa mwako na White House County ni ya Masaku.